To talk to you guys about this vanity mirror. Okay, so this is going to be great because you're going to be able to put it on your visor in your car. So whether you have maybe a mirror that's not very bright, doesn't have lights, or if you have no mirror, this is going to be absolutely great. Okay, and so it's going to have the two different lights. It's going to have a cool light, and then it's also going to have like a warm yellow kind of light. And so it's really easy. You're going to be able to just to connect it right here to go over top of your visor. The thing that I really like with it is to be able to charge it. It comes with a charger, and it's a really long charger, but there's actually going to be a cord on one side or the outlet on the other side. So that way you're going to be able to connect it depending on where your mirror is. All right, so I have it up here, and again, it's really easy. All you do is you just kind of pull this to make sure that it is nice and tight how you want it. And then you guys check this out. So you're going to be able to have the lights, and plus if you hold it, do you see how it gets brighter? So there are two touch lights, so that way you can use whichever one to touch it. And so then you're going to be able to hit again to turn off. And now you can see it has both the lights. Okay. And again, if you hold it, you're going to be able to make it brighter or dimmer. So it's going to be really nice depending on how you want to go ahead and get ready. And now you can just see just the cool white. So really excited for this. And you can tell when you go up, you don't even notice it's there. So it's going to be absolutely great for when you are trying just to do your makeup a little bit easier in the Thank you so much for watching the review of the vanity mirror. I highly recommend it.